Hello, this is Heather Stevenson from the Lonas Group. Today we're going to be working on establishing a link between Publisher and Excel. Specifically, we're going to copy data from Excel. We're going to paste as a link into Publisher to create a link. The very first step is to create a folder of which to hold your files. It's best if the files are together. They don't have to be, but it's best if they are together so you can find them and edit them as you wish. I'm going to open Excel. And right here you can see that is where my data was created because I used some formulas, and there's property addresses, sales price, and sales ratio. And next I'm going to open the publisher file. You'll see this box pop up. It's asking if I want to re-establish links. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK, and you can see what happens. Because I just got these files and I created this folder and I saved them on my computer, they don't know how to talk to each other. There is no link anymore. I have to re-establish this link. I'm going to go ahead and select yes so that you can see what happens when the links are not established. This box will pop up and it say cannot find the data, cannot link. So we're going to go ahead and hit OK to dismiss that because we are going to re-establish our link. Okay, I have both files up in front of me here. You can see that I'm working on the annual client review in Publisher. I am going to page 4, and you can see that that picture looks exactly like what I have over here in Excel. But right now, if I change my Excel, it will not change over here because they are not linked together. So the easiest way I found to do this is to select that and just hit my delete button. I'm just going to make it go away. Then I'm going to come over to Excel. I'm going to select everything I want to show in Publisher. So I'm going to select this entire box. I'm going to hit the copy button, and then I'm going to go back over to Publisher, go up to paste, paste special, and then link. I'm going to paste link. Then I'm going to click the OK button. And there, now it looks exactly like it did before. The difference is that now they are linked. If I change something in Excel, next time I open Publisher, it will reestablish the links and it will change the data to match whatever I have changed in Excel. Okay, now I'm going to save both these files. It's really important that you save your data. And next time I open them, they will remember each other and they will be able to link. So I'm going to go ahead and reopen Publisher, and you'll see that same box pops up, and we're going to hit yes. And instead of getting that error box like we did last time, it is actually going to update the data because it knows where that Excel file is. You do not have to have both files open at the same time. So right now I want to change some data in my Excel file, so I am going to go ahead and I am going to close my Publisher file and just work in Excel. Now let's just say I change this to 400,000. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to save it, and I'm going to exit Excel altogether. Now I'm going to open up my Publisher file, and again that box will pop up. We'll hit yes, and it's going to update the data, and you will see that now this chart has also updated to $400,000 in my annual client review because they are linked. I'll zoom in a little bit here. You can see that it has changed to match what Excel says. I'm going to do the exact same thing with a chart. A lot of people like charts. They're easy to look at and look at data trends. I'm just going to add a page here to my annual client review just to show you how to copy and paste a chart. I have created a chart just by selecting this data and hit insert and chart, and I select the kind of chart I want. So I just made a really easy quick chart here. What we're going to do is we're going to select the chart. We're going to hit the copy button. You can right click and copy, or you can go home and copy. Either one works just fine. Then I'm going to go over to my Publisher file, and I'm going to do that paste special, paste link, OK, and now my chart that is in this Publisher file will actually change when the data in Excel is changed. So what happens is, if I change something up here in Excel, that chart will change, and then it will change the chart in Publisher as well. Let's pretend that this house sold for $500,000. So we're going to change this to $500,000. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Then you'll see below that this chart has changed in Excel, but the Publisher chart hasn't changed. That's because it hasn't done an update. Now I find the easiest way to get Publisher to update is just to save both files and then reopen Publisher, have that box pop up, let it do its update. and then it will change to match the data. So my chart will be different right here. As you can see, it will now match exactly what Excel has. I did want to show you a really easy shortcut. Let's say that you were working in your publisher file here and you look and you say, oh, I have a typo. I have $450 here instead of $450,000. If you double click on this, it will actually open your Excel file and you can go ahead and change it to $450,000. Hit save, and if you exit, it will update over here in Publisher. I hope you've enjoyed how to link Excel in Publisher. I hope you find it very useful, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.